So let's get into my paid for Ipsy unboxing. If you've not already subscribed, I do subscription box spoilers choice. I forgot this. I didn't forget this month. I just ran out of time. It's like I filmed it, but like I didn't like it. So let me scratch that. Okay. I did do spoilers as well as my PR unboxing. So if you haven't already seen that, I will tag that. But without all the blabbering, let's get into this. Also, I do other makeup videos as well as Trader Joe's and grocery hauls that are vegan. So okay, let's get into this. So I did choose the Lunar Beauty lip liners. I'm wearing them both today. Outer part is the doodle shade. The outer part is the doodle shade, and then the inner part is the blushing. And I will show pictures of swatches and B-roll and all that kind of stuff. The packaging is really cool. I know it's just the outer carton, but like it has like a kind of, it looks kind of blue, but it's actually like a sort of, well, it's, I don't know if it's like a chrome or what, but it's raised. And I do like the, I don't know, something about it. But I've been wanting to try his lip liners. This is Manny and Way's brand. And they do look really nice. Only thing I will say, this shade Blushing, I thought it was gonna be like this nude color. And I mean, unless I'm like colorblind or unless I can't see colors correctly, this is not the same shade, but that's fine. And then this is the shade Doodle, which does match. But yeah, they do feel really nice. Don't know how long wearing they are, but they actually have stain. I washed my hands and they have stained my hand. And then we have from Trust Fund Beauty, which I also chose. I got the Trust Fund Beauty lipstick. It's the, let's see, they are Leaping Bunny certified, which is awesome. So, and these are both vegan, or else I wouldn't be talking about them and putting them on my mouth. Gluten-free, non-toxic, fragrance-free. This lipstick is kind of, honestly, I think it's kind of plain. Like there's nothing on it except for this label, but it is like not easy to open. Well, it's like not gonna come out in your purse, like come undone. But there's the shade there. It's a nude. This is on my lips. And it's not drying, but I would say it's more like a satin matte. It's their Lipgasm lipstick, birthday suit, in the shade birthday suit. And then in the box is just, I mean, it's fine. But yeah, just kind of, it already has fingerprints on it, but it feels nice. And then then from First Beauty, I'd be excited they were cruelty-free, but they're not cruelty-free anymore. But this is their Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 30, safe for sensitive skin. So I'm going to give that to a family member. And then, so I did not choose, so the items that I did not choose are, first, we have the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 30 from First Beauty. They are no longer cruelty-free, so that'll go to a friend or family member. Another product that I did choose, the last product that I chose, is the Lifestyle with a Y instead of an I, Co-Align perfume. And the notes are apple, bergamot, violet, cedar, amber, sandalwood, and vetiver. I put a little bit on. It has like this fresh, you can definitely smell like the apple. I don't know why it smells like white wine to me, but that's what it smells like to me. It's just like a light, I don't know, I guess clean kind of everyday scent. It smells nice. Like I said, it's a light scent, but it's like a clean, fresh apple scent. And then the items that I did not choose, I think it's powder. Yeah, the items that I did not choose. First, we have from First Beauty, which they're no longer cruelty-free. So this is gonna be going to a family member. This is going to be going to a family member. This is their Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. And then we have, I already got this in my PR unboxing. So I already got this in my PR box that I did the unboxing for. So this will be going in a giveaway. But this is from Ariana Grande's brand, the REM Beauty Blurring Primer, the Lunar Magic Blurring Primer. And then because I boost my box, which is an extra $15, I got the Glow Recipe Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum, which you can always, which if you do boost, you can switch out your product if you don't like the product that was chosen for you. This is pretty geometric bottle. It's glass. It looks really pretty. and it is, you know, anti-aging and plumping and hydrating and all that stuff. So, and I did not get any add-ons this time. Those were the items that I got. Let me know, would you pick these items? Would you have not picked these items? Stay tuned for my July spoilers that'll be coming when I start seeing more spoilers. I did put a couple of spoilers in my PR unboxing, so if you're interested in that, I will link that. But as always, stay safe, healthy, and do something that makes you happy. Bye. I'll see you next video.